Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop notifications on Teams. If you want to stop notifications on Teams, you have to click on these three dots and then go to the settings. After that you have to go to notifications and then you can customize your notifications from this page. As you can see, you can stop receiving any email if you missed any activities by changing this one to off, and also you can stop showing your message, and you can edit this one for chat, so you can make this one off, and you can customize all of these options as you want. Thank you and have a great day.